Hello everyone, we are here today with Erhun Arkan, the General Manager for Rivian Serbia and Vice President for Consumer Application Software. Hi Erhun, thank you for joining me for this interview.
Thanks for having me.
My first question is, Rivian is pushing boundaries in the electric vehicle space. In a data-driven culture, what steps does your team take to ensure software development aligns with the user needs and vehicle performance goals?
Amazing question. Actually, we are changing your traditional automotive models. So traditional in the automotive space, once you buy a car, that's basically pretty much experience doesn't change till you get another car. Or if you are lucky, basically that software update happens once a year. Rivian, we are able to provide monthly updates, improving our customer experience. And also, as well as improving the whole driving experience, as well as improving the functionality of the car. For that, you need to know exactly what software you release, and you need to have certain level of flexibility. So with that, basically, we have certain customer scores, and we look at the use patterns after we launch the software, after a month. How many times do they use? Do they use that patterns, that exactly US patterns or UI patterns. So we are very much basically extremely agile, software-driven culture.
What are some of the main challenges in using data and AI to integrate advanced features into Rivian's vehicles, and how do you address them?
Yeah, this is an interesting question. Actually, Rivian started as vehicles first. And if you look at it, Rivian vehicles is edge devices with lots of computing power right next to consumer, connected to cloud. So it's a perfect platform for AI applications. You can do edge computing, you can do cloud computing, you can basically utilize LLMs, SLMs, simple models, and everything is developed in-house. We feel like we are very well positioned in this space.
Looking ahead, how do you see data transforming electric vehicles in the next few years?
Yeah, I think data is amazing. I think some of the examples, like we are seeing the benefits of data, basically enhancing EV experience, addressing range anxiety. I think we have features in our solutions like Trip Planner, Charge Score. I think those are all based on data, and then that's basically enhancing the consumers' EV experience. And also when it comes to data and connected cars, I think will give more advantages to remote diagnostics, and therefore vehicle service model will move from reactive model to proactive model. So I think in the future probably your vehicle will address what the problem is based on the larger database, fleet information, and will call perhaps service tracks to address the issues. And we feel like also the whole in-cockpit experience will move to more in-person voice AI assistants. Right now, I think we have seen automotive market from the interaction through buttons now move to touch screens. Now we feel like voice-first applications is going to come into place. Those applications, basically voice assistants, will be extremely vehicle smart, understanding the context of the vehicle rather than what we have today. I believe there are lots of prospects in the future in that space.